Okay, we're in an area called Taipa Village. That's a Galaxy Casino straight that way, and this road goes straight to Galaxy Casino and the Kotai Strip. And then this is also part of Taipa Village as well, and we're going to be going into these side streets in a moment as well. So we're just going to start out on this main street, not too far with the Galaxy in sight. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so we're going to be doing, I think we're going to be walking down one of these side streets into the alleys over here, so that's our plan. So let's kind of angle across here, then we'll come like that. There's a Thai restaurant right there with some potential. Great location. The food is I don't know why, but they don't really, the food isn't that good though. But there's some really good Thai restaurants around here. There's another one called Tuk Tuk, and we're gonna shortly go into these little alleys like this. This is Travessa de Gloria, and we're gonna just meander into this area, but we're gonna choose a different location to do that. And I'm just gonna kind of meander around. There's a pizza place there. I'm just gonna wander towards we got some more side streets down this way, down that direction, but we're actually gonna go down this way and go down. We've got some beautiful colored houses in here in this type of village area, so we're definitely gonna walk over there in a moment. And it's gonna be our target street as well, so beautiful pal, it's kind of everywhere. So our target street is gonna be this one right here. It's a little bit under construction, but we're just basically gonna walk straight down that way, and we're gonna get into these type of houses a little bit as well. So we're gonna meander like this. Type of houses. Don't know what you call those. But these are, this is type of village anyways. So all these little nooks and crannies. And way down there you can see some people. There's some houses that are kind of green and pink and such like that. So we're gonna be walking that way. This is called Rua dos Gaviotas, as you can see right there above the pharmacy. And then we kind of have a lot of different small streets everywhere. Esperanza, Virtudes. So that's kind of maybe what we could use as a focus grounding street. Small little bike. And we're gonna meander into these little alleys. I'm not sure what we're gonna call this video. Usually I'll target streets, but I'm gonna just kind of meander around a little bit. See what else is around here. So more alleys like that. This is kind of interesting. It's called like that looks pretty tasty right there. My Messy Kitchen. It's kind of interesting, something different. I haven't seen that one before. Also has some nice decorations as well, the flower arranging. And then we got these little alleys down that way. I think we could go down this way. This Mercadore is the street of the merchants, but we're gonna instead go down to the end here. This street, this one right here is called Barcelona. Guy from Spain owns it, runs it. Down that way there's some pretty big crowds. I guess we'll continue on since we're already okay. Lots of little streets everywhere. Continue on. Okay. Starbucks right there. Long lines. Little Portuguese shop here. So you got little these things, fish basically, Portuguese style. Okay. So this is kind of the main tourist street, Kunyagai. People, Pal, Starbucks. So I think what we're gonna do is go down this way. And we're basically just kind of meandering a little bit. No particular focus, just Koloan, Taipa village. We're gonna head into one of these alleys again. Different alley. And this is just called Rua dos Bem Casados. Street of the Good Casados, is that marriage? Forget, homes? Marriage? Let's just kind of go up into this one. Now you can see these main streets as well. I think what we're gonna do, bus stopped right there. I guess we're gonna try to run across. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go up this little Kosho's street, which is right here. So Escada de Kosho, which is like stairs, Kosho stairs, Escada. Got some nice fish murals. We head up here. And up this one, we kind of have this like cool mural. I think there's a rooftop up there. If not, there's definitely a rooftop here. A couple of them. So now we're on another street. Of course, Calçada de Cortel. And you got lots of stuff you can meander all the way up into that space. But what we're gonna do is actually just go back down into our Koloan village. So we're basically just kind of meandering. The sun is a little bit bright there. Okay. So we're gonna wait for this, yes, there's, okay. So we're kind of doing a little bit of a roundabout with no focus in particular. But I guess one of the main goals is basically just to get into these small little alleys everywhere. So that's actually my agenda. And I kind of brought you to both sides as well. So Regador is where we started at. And then the one that we were just at was another kind of a main street as well. Just kind of check out some of these other alleys. So maybe we can go down this alley next. See what we all got around here. Definitely got some alleys this way, but we're going to be heading down this way. Lucky to eat some Portuguese cuisine. Gonna keep on meandering. So we came down this one a little while ago. This is where the Barcelona restaurant is at. Got a Portuguese bakery. Some stuff here to the left is under construction. So like this one is kind of something totally different. You can see these giant windows here. Go all the way up to the rooftop up there as well. But usually they're more small little alleys, so that's quite unusual that it's like that. Scaffolding. So they're actually doing something over here as well. So anyways, hello.
I'm going to open watch your YouTube
Oh, the
channel.
YouTube? Oh, good.
Yes, I checked it.
Good sidetrack, that's right. This is kind of cool. Dinner time. So that's kind of interesting. So yeah, hello to somebody who watches the channel. I was wondering, I thought he looked like he was and this kind of goes up. I'm gonna go down that way in a second, but I just want to come up and show this real quick. That's pretty cool. He looked like he was interested in what I was doing. That's called Go Nights up there. Actually, I wonder if he's a Macau person or kind of curious now. So we're back at one of our main streets. That's kind of funny that he remembers the channel as well. This is actually really beautiful right here because you have all these lighting like that. So it's actually kind of a nice angle. Yeah, actually this is a really nice little angle in here. Yeah, I have to say hello to him again if I see him walking the dog. That's kind of cool. I think sometimes people might see the channel, but there's another alley we could go down as well. But we're gonna go down this way. Umun is there it goes. Pretty cool. Bella Taipa also has a rooftop up top too. You can eat and enjoy. There's a.
Hey.
Hey.
How are you?
Good.
Good to see you.
Good to see you as well.
Have a good day.
You too. Haven't seen him in a while. He's a barber there, so pretty cool guy. He also does skating too. Okay, so we're gonna be kind of, well, I guess we'll come around and then, so we're gonna, this is all changing too. I don't know what they're doing here exactly, but they're doing a lot of construction there. And we're gonna move like this. Oh, that's kind of cool. There's a woman up in the window up there, right there, so that's really cool. It's got giant windows too. It's so cool. Okay. And I think we're gonna come out over here. And now you can see the Galaxy Casino. So maybe that's a little bit grounding, so you can see that this is actually within range of the casino, such as Galaxy. And that's right there. And we're gonna come up to Camoish Square. We'll kind of film what type of tavern on our way. Oh, he's
Good.
okay. Sounds good. So, okay. So we're gonna come around to the main street up this way in a moment. Let me just kind of capture everything. So this is Camoage. That's called Old Taipa Tavern, that little space in there. There's a, what's that called? Tempo. Should be more specific, but anyways. So we're gonna come back to the front part. So now we're gonna be able to see basically this main road again. Galaxy's right up there. And we'll just walk up this way and then we're gonna end it. So yeah, pretty cool. So nice. There's a lot of restaurants on that side. There's a bar right there, kind of a popular Chinese style bar, Drunken Tower. It's really popular, especially among the Chinese population. Old Taipa Tavern. The other one is more foreigners go to that bar. And now we're back at that Thai restaurant again. We're just gonna come around to the plaza, then we're gonna end our video right there. So basically we just did kind of a generic type of village. Say hello to the guy that had the dog, that he used the channel and such. We're gonna end in this space here. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.